What's up? Today I am going to make a video of how much power, explosion, or damage does TNT does. One TNT? Let's see how much damage it does. See? Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we've got here. So I can see that it made a hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times deep for 1 TNT. If I did that to dirt, oh no. So let's try 2 TNT. Light them both up. Okay, it made a 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 2 TNT. Oh my god, guys, what is this? That's 4? That's a 4 also. Wow. Okay. How about 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 can maybe make like 5, 10 or whatever. I don't know how much that's whatever, but oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'll just have to move this to another place. Here. Yeah, here's good. I don't know how much. I don't know mouse is saying E% whatever. Just let's see. 1, 2, 3. What? Are you actually serious? 1, 2, 3. 3 times deep. Like the other ones did like 4 and stuff. But why do you can't do like going to other places? Like this one is just like 1 times deep. That makes 4. 5, 6. Yeah, but just seriously, 3? Oh no. Let's try 4 now. Probably this one has more damage. Light one up and it might be perfect. Oh, that looks kind of deep. 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times deep for 4 TNTs. That's kind of deep, actually. Let's try 5 TNTs now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, but when I lighted one up, like it went down and oh, I don't know how deep this one, but guys, I have no idea how deep that is. Like it's too much. Like I'd say like about like 7 to 8 or 9 or 10 deepness. Guys, comment down below what's your guess, because I will not really be able to count. So guys, that's all for today. You can try it, but remember to light only 1 TNT up, not all of them. If you do all of them, you made a big mistake. I don't like this one. This is freaking like lethal to me. I don't like TNT, I guess. Ooh. The water's well now. Okay, guys. Bye. Oh, why did I click the settings? I'll try something first. I guess you can't light anything up. Oh my god, I gotta have that chicken, I gotta have that chicken. Oh my god. I'm not have it. Some snowballs. Did it work? Let's test it again. Guys, comment down below if this works and